Currency correlations are constantly changing, and it's important that you are aware of the changes. Pairs can be strongly correlated for days, weeks, months, or even years, and then change out of nowhere. Look at this table for example. You can see across the different time frames that the correlation coefficient is always changing. Some of them even go from positive to negative. Like look at this example of the Euro USD in month 1 and in month 3. Of course, we would give you a PDF with all of the correlating pairs, but since things are always changing, you'll just have to make sure that you are always aware of what is correlated and what isn't. Another example is the correlation between the pairs USD-CHF and USD-JPY. Over 1 week of data, it was 0.22, which would mean that they aren't correlated really at all. But then when we look at the 3-month data for the same time period, the correlation increases to 0.52, and then at the 6-month period, it increases to 0.78. This is a great example of a very positively correlated pair over the long term, but in the short term, it is weakened a lot. Or look at the Euro USD and GBP USD. The 1 week period would tell us that they are very strongly correlated with a 0.94 correlation coefficient. But then the 1 month period shows us that it drops all the way back down to 0.13 and then back up to 0.83 for the 3-month period. It keeps moving from being positively correlated to not correlated at all. And finally, a very dramatic currency correlation we can see is between the USD-JPY and the NZD-USD. The 1 year was negative 0.69, meaning that they are pretty negatively correlated. But then its 1 month correlation here shows 0.64. That's the complete opposite of what the 1 year is showing us. So the lesson from this table and from these examples is to just stay current on currency correlations if you choose to use them.
Hey, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you join our free Discord channel to get access to all the cheat sheets and a bunch of other cool bonuses. The next video in the course is right here.